But first, we're back in Montgomery County. The school district is changing how it's handling COVID cases yet again. There's no longer a one-size-fits-all rule for deciding when schools go virtual. It's going to happen on a case-by-case basis. Colby Satterfield explains what's next and how parents are really just trying to keep up.
I've been hearing from frustrated parents all week. First that some schools were going virtual, then that there was a lack of teachers, and now that the school district is changing its plans once again.
It's been a very confusing week.
Montgomery County Public Schools is getting rid of its three-tiered COVID threat system designed to determine which schools may need to go virtual amid rising COVID cases days after it was implemented. In a letter sent to the community from MCPS's interim superintendent and county health director, it says the state of Maryland does not currently recommend an automatic trigger to suspend in-person learning. Therefore, MCPS says it will no longer use a threshold of 5% positive cases in a 14-day period to consider going to virtual learning.
We were almost expecting the opposite, for them to say we were going virtual for 2 weeks.
Andrea Lyons is an MCPS parent and teacher.
I think that the staff shortages are going to get worse, and students coming down with the illness it's going to be worse.
This week, the list of schools at or above the initial 5% threshold went from 11 to 126 in one day. The school Kelly Keith's children attend was one of the original 11.
1 day to prepare for virtual and then only 1 day of actual virtual learning.
Now those 11 schools could be going back to in-person, with guidance still pending from the school district, as MCPS also plans to hand out take-home rapid tests to all students and staff by next week. And those who do test positive will have a 10-day quarantine, despite the state recommending 5. In Montgomery County, Colby Satterfield, WUSA 9.